Take a ride in the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, power sunroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.